Hi, this is Susan from SusanBlueRobot.com. I'm here today to show you how I got my elephant in Blender, one picture, into 4 pictures. It looks like this, and after 3 days of trying to work out how I had to do it, I thought I'd come along and show you today. So, first off, we're here in Blender. We've got our picture, we've got a coloured background. I'm working in Eevee on 2.93 Blender. And first off, I'm going to work in 2000 pixels by 2000 pixels. The reason being is I want to be able to quickly work out divided by 4, because I want 4 pictures in here. So what we'll do first is we render a picture. Here's our picture here, and we now go over to the compositing tab up here, and I've got the backdrop on, and I've got a viewer node so you can see what we're doing. So what we'll do is, first off, we'll bring in a under distort, a transform node, bring that in, and this is where we can halve it. So we go 0.5 in the scale, which brings it down to 1/4 of the size. And with that, we can, with that selected, we go Shift D. We want 4 of these, so we'll go 4. Alright, the first one we've got selected, and we'll Control Shift so we're looking at what we're playing with, and we'll go, we want to move this one on the X by 500, which is 1/4 of the 2000, and on the Y we want to move it 500, and connect this back up, and then it's moved that one. And the next one, we're going to now bring in an alpha over under color and alpha over node, plug that in on that one, and we'll plug this one in, so we have the 2. So one's still in the very center, which is this one here, and this one is at 500 on the X and 500 on the Y, so that is in this corner. So we're going to move this one now, this one here, we're going to move it on the X, we're going to move it minus 500, which is 1/4 of the 2000, and 500 up. So now they're side by side. We're going to now do the same with the next one. Get another one of these alpha overs and plug that one into the bottom shaft. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This one here, we're going to bring it on the negative 500 and the negative 500. Then we're going to do the same again. We're going to get another alpha over and plug that in there. We're going to plug the image into the image and the image into the image. So we've now got 4. This one is the positive X 500 and the negative 500 Y. Now we have 4 side by side. So if I was to render that out now, render image, it would look like this. We'll go move these over because we're going to put a edit color hue saturation value. Put this in here, put one in here, put one in here, and Shift D, put one in here. Now we can change the colors. So the first one I might leave that color, and we'll change the next one by just moving the hue saturation and the hue saturation, this one with the next, and we'll go further down for the last one to how you feel. I think this one needs to go down and this one needs to go up to green. And now when I render that out with just those nodes, you render image, and we've got 4 different colors. So this is a very quick tutorial on how to do it. I hope you were able to follow. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to put the questions in the chat. You can also find me on at Susan Blue Robot in Twitter and SusanBlueRobot.com website. Thank you for visiting. I hope you got something out of this, and I hope to see what you've created using this. Bye.